Hello students, this project is on renewable energy. Now we will see how to make this project. We have chosen 3 renewable energies and 1 method of recycling water. Let us begin with rainwater harvesting. To make a model rainwater harvesting system, we require a house, straws as pipes, aluminum foil to hold water and a plastic container cover as the suction tank. Now, moving on to the renewable energies model, here is a model windmill. Items required to make this are foam sheets, a 6-volt DC motor, copper wires, a battery and a switch. Here we have a model biogas plant. Items required to make this are plastic cups as a digester, straws as pipes, plastic bottle as a gas collecting tank, aluminum foil to cover them and a cow shed. A pipe from the gas collecting tank is connected to this house. Third is the solar power. This house has a solar panel with 2 LED lights. One light is placed in the house and the other is placed in the cow shed. You can complete this project within a cost below ₹1,000. It may require 10 to 14 hours for you to complete the project. Thank you. Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe to our channel.